Behringer is a leading manufacturer of bandsaws and circular cold saws. Today we would like to take the opportunity to introduce the HBE 320-523GA. The 320-523GA is a PC-controlled, fully automatic miter saw with a cutting capacity of 12.6 inches high and 20.4 inches wide. As you see, the 320-523GA is a true dual column design horizontal saw that delivers a full 105 degrees of miter rotation with 60 degrees off to the left and 45 degrees off to the right. In this video, we are demonstrating the cutting of a 2 by 3 inch tube with a straight cut on one end and a 45 degree miter on the other. All material feeding and miter positioning is automatic and delivers plus or minus 5 thousandths in length tolerance and 1/10 of 1 degree in miter accuracy. The HBE 320-523GA is powerful and precise and built with legendary Behringer quality. Please visit us at BehringerSaws.com to learn more about our product lines, or email us at info@usa.behringer.net to discuss your particular application. Thank you for watching, and with over 150 different models of saws, we look forward to helping you find your most efficient and cost-effective sawing solution.